Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Tech. Today, I'll show you how to rewrite others' articles. Whether it's for a blog, school, or just for fun, you'll learn how to transform any article into unique content quickly and easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, you need to search for this AIPRM extension for Google Chrome. Now click on the above link AIPRM for Chat GPT. After that, click on Add to Chrome. Now click here to access chatgpt.com with all AIPRM features. Now click OK again. Now you will be redirected to Chat GPT. If you are not signed up, click Sign Up. You can click Continue with Google here. Now click here to get started with AIPRM. After that, search Outrank in the search box. Now click on the Outrank article prompt. Copy the URL of your chosen article. Paste it here and enter. Now you can see we are writing our own article. Now you can publish this article in your website. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial on rewriting articles using URL links helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Future Tech for more awesome content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.